Welcome back to Auto Analysis Hub. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2027 Toyota Adventure Van, one of the most talked about concept-style adventure vans, attracting attention from outdoor enthusiasts and family travelers alike. While Toyota has not officially confirmed every detail about this model, the idea of a rugged, adventure-ready van has generated plenty of excitement. In this video, we'll explore its expected exterior styling, cabin design, performance, technology, and estimated pricing based on current industry trends and Toyota's latest design direction. So, if you're looking for a versatile vehicle that could combine comfort, practicality, and off-road capability, stay with us until the end. From the very first glance, the 2027 Toyota Adventure van is expected to feature a bold and modern design that reflects Toyota's growing focus on outdoor lifestyles. The front fascia is likely to include a wide grille with a rugged appearance, slim LED headlights, integrated daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper with protective cladding. Higher ground clearance would help the van handle rough roads, while giving it a confident stance. Strong character lines flowing across the body, flared wheel arches, and durable lower body protection could make this van look ready for both city streets and mountain trails. Moving toward the side profile, large windows are expected to improve visibility while creating a bright and airy interior. Sliding side doors would provide easy access for passengers, especially in tight parking spaces. Roof rails could support cargo boxes, bicycles, kayaks, or camping equipment, making the van ideal for outdoor adventures. Depending on the trim level, alloy wheels ranging from 17 to 19 inches may be available, wrapped in all-season or all-terrain tires. Black exterior accents and optional two-tone paint schemes would further enhance its adventurous personality. At the rear, the van is expected to feature vertically positioned LED taillights, a wide tailgate for easy cargo loading, and a durable rear bumper designed to withstand everyday use. Some versions could include a power-operated tailgate for additional convenience. Practicality is expected to remain one of the strongest selling points, with generous luggage space and flexible cargo arrangements for camping gear, sports equipment, or family luggage. Inside the cabin, Toyota is likely to focus on comfort, practicality, and technology. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and durable upholstery could create a welcoming environment for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. Depending on the configuration, the van may offer seating for 7 or 8 passengers, with spacious headroom and legroom across all rows. Adjustable seats and multiple storage compartments would make the interior highly versatile for families and adventure seekers. The dashboard is expected to feature a large digital instrument cluster, alongside a floating touchscreen infotainment system measuring around 12 to 14 inches. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility would likely come as standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. Multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless charging, Bluetooth connectivity, and voice controls would ensure everyone stays connected throughout the journey. A premium JBL sound system may also be available on higher trims, delivering impressive audio quality for road trips. Comfort features are expected to include dual-zone or tri-zone, automatic climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, panoramic sunroof options, ambient interior lighting, and power-adjustable seating with memory functions. Rear passengers could enjoy dedicated climate controls, charging ports, folding tables, and additional storage solutions, making long journeys significantly more comfortable. Storage flexibility is expected to be another major highlight. The second and third row seats may fold completely flat or even be removable depending on the configuration. This would allow owners to convert the van into a cargo hauler, a camper setup, or a spacious family transporter within minutes. Flat flooring and clever storage compartments beneath the seats could further improve practicality for outdoor adventures. When it comes to performance, Toyota is expected to offer multiple powertrain options. A turbocharged 2.4-liter petrol engine could produce around 270 horsepower while delivering smooth acceleration and reliable performance. Hybrid technology is also highly likely, combining a petrol engine with electric motors to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions without sacrificing capability. Some markets could even receive a plug-in hybrid version offering short-distance electric-only driving for urban commuters. Power would most likely be delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission, although Toyota's latest hybrid eCVT system could also be offered depending on the chosen engine. Buyers may have the option of front-wheel drive for everyday efficiency or Toyota's proven all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction on gravel roads, muddy trails, snow, and challenging weather conditions. Ride quality is expected to be one of the van's strongest qualities. A carefully tuned suspension system should provide a smooth and comfortable experience on highways while remaining stable on uneven terrain. Improved sound insulation could significantly reduce wind and road noise, creating a quieter cabin for conversations and entertainment during long-distance travel. Steering is likely to be light and responsive, making the van surprisingly easy to drive despite its larger size. Advanced parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic parking assistance could simplify maneuvering in crowded urban environments. These technologies would be especially useful for drivers transitioning from smaller vehicles. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2027 Adventure van is expected to continue that tradition. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package could include adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane centering technology, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, and automatic high beams. Higher trims may also feature advanced highway driving assistance for additional convenience during long motorway journeys. Strong structural engineering, multiple airbags, electronic stability control, traction control, hill start assist, and trailer stability systems are expected to contribute to excellent crash protection. Families looking for peace of mind would likely appreciate Toyota's long-standing reputation for reliability and safety. Technology throughout the vehicle is expected to support both convenience and adventure. Over-the-air software updates could keep systems current without dealership visits. Cloud-connected navigation, remote vehicle monitoring through a smartphone app, digital key functionality, and advanced voice recognition may all be available. Some models could even include integrated power outlets, capable of running camping equipment, laptops, or small appliances during outdoor trips. For buyers interested in camping, Toyota may introduce optional adventure packages featuring rooftop tents, upgraded suspension, off-road tires, auxiliary lighting, portable refrigerators, fold-out tables, integrated storage systems, and even compact sleeping platforms. These accessories would transform the van into a capable weekend exploration vehicle without sacrificing everyday usability. Fuel economy will naturally depend on the chosen engine, but the hybrid version is expected to deliver excellent efficiency. For a vehicle of this size, long driving range, reduced fuel stops, and lower running costs would make it attractive for families who frequently travel long distances. Now let's discuss pricing. Since Toyota has not officially announced the 2027 Adventure van, exact figures remain unavailable. However, industry estimates suggest the entry-level model could start at approximately £38,000 to £42,000, while mid-range versions equipped with additional comfort and technology. Features may cost between £45,000 and £50,000. Fully loaded adventure-focused. Trims with all-wheel drive. Premium interiors and advanced equipment could exceed £55,000, depending on optional packages and local market specifications. If Toyota introduces a plug-in hybrid or premium off-road edition, pricing may climb even higher, reflecting the additional technology and capability. Final prices will vary by country, taxes, and available equipment packages once official details become available. Overall, the 2027 Toyota Adventure van has the potential to become an exciting option for buyers seeking a practical people mover that can also support outdoor adventures. With a modern design, spacious and flexible interior, advanced technology, efficient powertrain options, comprehensive safety features, and Toyota's reputation for long-term reliability, it could appeal to families, campers, business owners, and travel enthusiasts alike. Although many specifications remain unconfirmed today, the concept of an adventure-focused Toyota van certainly captures the imagination. And it will be interesting to see how closely any future production model matches these expectations. If Toyota brings this vision to reality, the 2027 Adventure van could become one of the most versatile and desirable vehicles in its class. Thanks for watching Auto Analysis Hub. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and updates.